The last of our shared canvas today. That's the plan, our shared canvas today. So I will paste this in. Yo, yeah, you made it, Spider-Man Toby. Yeah, so that's, we've got a plan for today. We've got enough time, and this is the last day of the canvas. Last day of shared canvas. I'm gonna put this over here in our Discord. We're right here. So that way it's ready to go for anyone who was interested in it. Yeah, and so I do believe it still works. So yesterday we added mobile support and we fixed a few bugs. And today we're going to add history. So when we reload the canvas page, everything disappears pretty much. So we want to see if we can make sure that stays there. And then what else? We could do a couple other things. Add number of online users. And then it also stretches. So Jin Lu was describing that you can see how the canvas stretches. It like stretches. I'm fine with the stretching. I think it's... Oh, do you have an undo button? Ooh, an undo button. Hey, Soki, good to see you. I'm finished with your research. Agent, right now, you're coding your prompt optimizer agent. Ooh, a prompt optimizer agent. Hey, Soki, that sounds great. Undo option sounds good. Let's see, we might maybe bring that in. So let me pull up the... Let's see here. We'll pull up the file and then we'll add notes into it. So we've got a couple of to-do items up here. All right, so to-do. We could add canvas stretch fix. You said, let's see, what else? What did you say? Spider-Man Toby, you said the undo button. Undo button. Maybe we'll get that. Hey, buddy. Hey, Goku, good to see you. Oh, Goku, welcome in. How are you? We're doing great. Happy Friday. Today's the last stream of our canvas shared canvas app. Next week, we've got a plan for next week. We're gonna do 1 million divs. Hey, Torva, good to see you. Welcome in. This will be message, and then we're gonna console log this. Console.log message. I think it's occupancy. So const occupancy equals message dot occupancy. The occupancy. I'm pretty sure. Okay. So this is number of users online right now. And then we need to add some display. We need to add some display up to it. So something that goes on here. So I'm going to reload the canvas real quick. So we want to add in div hashtag ID equals occupancy. Was it occupancy? I'm pretty sure. Yep, occupancy. And then we will say position absolute. Hold on, position absolute. And then we'll put this, where should we put this? Where should we put it? I think we should put it in the top left corner. We should put it in the top left corner. Yeah, I think that makes sense. Top left corner. We'll do that for now. I think a simple top, or well, yeah, or maybe the bottom right corner. Nobody goes to the bottom right corner. So let's do it in the bottom right corner. All right. Position up to bottom equals 20 px, and then left equals 20 px. All right. Where is it? All right. Is it there? Do I see it? Do I see it? I can't compete with you guys. I can't compete unless I'm on mobile. Unless I'm on mobile, then I can compete with you guys. All right. There was fitting dramatic music before. All right, there was. Yeah, I know. For the duel, yeah, it was happening. Oh, it's because I did this wrong. Occupancy. There we go. Let's keep going. We are building ourselves a shared canvas today, and we made it work multi-user really well. As you can see, it's working right now. Working quite well. We're adding number of users online. Oh wait, I should add this, so I should know. I need to open up. So occupancy. Okay, here we go. Occupancy. Oh, it says. All right. So. Oh really? There should be more than one. Why are there not? Wait, hold on. Let's see. Is there another one? It's not. Oh, I'm not. It's only one because I'm not setting it properly. Okay. 1 second. PubNub. We need to set the user ID. User ID, I think. Check. I need to open up this user ID, default user ID. Okay, here we go. It's gonna be user day. Perfect. There we go. So this is it right here. So that should do the answer. I should be able to reload now on my page. Where was that? Here, it's around here somewhere. It's around here somewhere. There it is. All right, so reload that. And then I should be able to see. There it is, 2. Okay, perfect. And the reason why it's only showing 2 right now is because it's not you guys. It won't show up for you until we reload the page. You got to reload the page. Oh my goodness! Hold on a second. Wait, what are you doing over there? Oh, Savon, is that you? You're writing some. Whoa! Whoa! That was unexpected. That was very amazing. That was cool. You took over the whole screen and then you painted in. I couldn't see what the text was, but I like the stars. Savon, that must have been you. That was fun. That was great. You did that. Wow. You made my day. You made my day. That was great. I know, right? I don't call myself a model whisperer for nothing. Yep, exactly. Exactly. That was so neat. I saw it on all over the place. I saw it all over the place. That was awesome. You made mine. You made mine. You made mine too. That was great. That is so neat. I can see what you guys are doing because you're going beyond the capabilities of what we built into the UI. So I want to add multi-user experience here. So I'm going to make it so we can see this a little bit more easily. Here we go. So you can see that there. All right, nice. All right, so we added the user ID. Now we're good. I think that's it. I think that's it. So we just need to update the element here. So let's go to number of users online. So we'll say const what do you call this? Occupancy div equals document dot get element by ID occupancy. There we go. And then instead of logging it, would say occupancy div dot inner HTML. Inner HTML equals occupancy. We make it really easy, super simple, just like that. Perfect. There we go. All right, we added a new feature. Oops. Oh no, and whatever. I refreshed the wrong screen. Okay. 3, 4, 5. Perfect. Yes, there we go. Now that's what's looking at. Now we're doing good. Hey man, do you buy code or do you write the code directly? I write it directly. I write it directly. There you go. What language do you prefer doing DSA, data structures and algorithms? C, I like C. I would say C, although I would recommend Python. We added occupancy. We did that one. We did that one. This one, the load canvas history, we could do this one. We could do this one. I have to look up so I'm going to mark this as a green check mark because we did it. You got RC PubNub-tools. All right, a little secret repository I got over here on the side. You can't see it, but I'm going to, so it's called, is there a search? I think a search, yes. So I just click on this, and then I just grab the source code. Yep, here we go, get all history. Got it, I found it. I found the get all history button. What's the number of the, oh, right, I read that already. All right. Then you call update color. That's the way to do it. That sounds good to me. All right, so I want to add in some history here. So let's bring this back over here. And then we will bring this over here. Okay. Function load history. Perfect. So that'll load canvas history. And then I need to grab this here. Where is this? This, I believe it's this function. So I can grab the whole thing like, oh wait. Yes, like this, like this. There we go. There we go. Perfect. Y, and then bring this over here. Okay, so that adds in history. So now all I have to do is leverage this history function. Okay. All right, you guys. Then that will give us the ability to have canvas history. So as you can see right now, when I reload the screen, oh, nope, I got a bug. There's a bug in there. Uh-oh. When I reload the screen, it goes blank. On line 202. Where's that? 202. Okay. Where's the reason why for that? I knew it! I knew it! So load history. So we need to do, let's see, it's called PubNub. Where is this? PubNub? Yeah, PubNub here. Dot history. Okay.